Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am with Mark and we're gonna do a really fun video. We found a game on Facebook, circulating sa Facebook. It's called
Scream Go.
And sobrang nakakatawa siya. So we decided to download it. This is not sponsored. Gusto lang namin gumawa ng video na basta sobrang nakakatawa kasi ito. Scream Go. There. You can choose if you want jumping or swimming, and then you use your voice to move the thing.
By the way, this is Scream Go 1 pala kasi may 2.
Ah, meron ba?
And then may 8 note Scream Go. Yan.
Yeah, so apparently madaming Scream Go
Tatlo yung nakita.
version. So anyway, we're gonna choose jumping. Ah.
Ikaw muna.
Ah! 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 Swimming. Naghang? Ay, nag-crash?
Wow, ang haba na. Uy, layo mo na ha. Mi. Kailangan ko mabit yun. Mi.
Wait. 1, 2, 3, go!
Huwag kang tumawa! Nakokontrol mo eh!
So fun. Check it out. Let me know kung ano yung highest score niyo sa comment box below. Obviously kami konti lang yung score namin. But I won, of course. That's it for today's video. See you tomorrow.
Bye.